Hello guys, welcome back to Dietitian Academy. This is a short video on how to make a preparation for the exam. So we have only around 2 days mostly for the exam. So if you are feeling stressed because only we have 2 days for the RRB exam, don't worry, you are not alone. Today I am giving you the ultimate 48 hours action plan to boost your preparation and confidence. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do, don't study new topics. Okay. The second thing, only revise the topics which you have already studied and made the notes. Okay. And if you still didn't make any notes, you can check in my Telegram channel. For that I have shared my personal notes there. So you just need to study once before going for the exam. Because last time when I attended AIIMS CRE exam, I got around 60 plus questions exactly same from that notes. Okay. Do check it out. It's in my Telegram channel. Before going for the exam, for the day 1, don't do any kinds of question practice. Don't study any type of new topics or complex topics or questions. Just focus on basics which you have studied before itself. Okay. And we still have 2 days to go. Tomorrow, can do one thing. You can watch all the playlist in the channel and to get to know the MCQs pattern, how the questions will be asked, and maybe from the videos itself you can get some of the questions exactly in the exam. Okay. Now avoid studying heavy materials. Watch a motivational video or listen to a calm music. Prepare your exam bag and don't forget your admit card, ID card, and one more thing which is very very important, sleep. Just before the exam you need to at least sleep 7 to 8 hours. So you need to sleep early. Don't study at the night. Yes, you heard it correct. Don't study at the night. If you study at the night, you will get demotivated if you find some new topic which you didn't know or didn't study at all. Okay. So my best thing is study until the evening before the day of the exam. Then stop studying. Just be relaxed. Don't panic. Take a good sleep of 8 to 9 hours. Go for the exam early. Then the fifth point is, whenever you get a pen, so pen is not allowed in the exam center, the pen will be provided by the staff. Whenever you get the pen, from the back side of the hall ticket, write down the alphabetical series. Okay, write down the alphabetical series at the end of the paper and some kind of formulas which is essential in the non-technical part. You can write it down so that it will be very easy for you when the question comes at the end. You can just go for the quick revision of the numbers and the formula and write it down without thinking much, because in the exam you will be stressed out and in some cases you may not be remembering the formula or doing the formula in the wrong way. So at the initial itself, write down the formula or the important points backside of the hall ticket. Okay. This is one more thing which I have done personally in my AIIMS CRE exam. I have noted down the alphabetical order and the formulas which I want to remember at the back of the hall ticket, and it helped me so much that when the time is very less, I had a quick way to crack the question which came from the coding and decoding topic. And for that coding and decoding topic you can watch my videos. If you follow this 2 days plan, I promise you will walk into the exam hall feeling ready, confident and in control. Remember, success doesn't demand perfection. It demands smart work and belief in yourself. All the best for your exam. If you find this helpful, share my playlist with your buddies who is preparing for the RRB Dietitian exam and help them out. See you after the exam with the celebration vibes. Okay, I will be doing the memory based questions after the exam also. Stay tuned with me. And due to the shortage of time, I have only prepared some amount of videos so that I can cover most of the important topics and placed in my videos. So we didn't get enough amount of time. For the next year examinations, I will be creating topic wise a proper book and notes will be provided, and the classes also will be provided for free in my YouTube channel. Topic wise classes will be conducted there. Each topic will be covered detailedly for the upcoming future dietitian exams. Either it may be AIIMS or RRB Dietitian, so that we can crack next year with more confidence and more knowledge. So that's all for today. All the best for your exam. We'll meet soon.